Oh, hi everybody. This is Marshall Studios Forever Production here tonight for a brand new video here tonight. Marshall Studios Forever Production is taped in front of a live audience here in Arcadia, Oklahoma. Welcome back to another video today. Today, I'm going to be doing for tonight. Welcome to a new video. What I'm going to be saying is, this is a vacuum cleaner I really grew up with. And I'm glad to use it, and welcome back again. And I'm very excited to use it again. And this is my Eureka ESP upright vacuum. Was made in 1992. And also, this was manufactured in 92, and it came out in the early 90s, and I'm looking for an 80s version to Eureka. I was looking for the self-propelled one I was looking for. And I'm really looking forward to find one again. And also, me and my brother Eli decided to go vacuum hunting again when March comes. And also, I love collecting vintage vacuums, and I got a couple of Bissell's. I only got one Bissell in my collection, is the 9-amp, and the other vacuum cleaners you might saw in my last video. In my last video, I gave you a tour, this year. And that was a really fantastic tour. And I just want to say to you guys, I'll run it. All right, everybody, I'm going to turn on the switch. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, everybody, I finally vacuumed this room, and also, that vacuum was really quieter. It was a very powerful machine to use, and I finally vacuumed the main area, and also, this is my main area to do, and I'm really excited to have this machine back, to have her back. This Eureka ESP black and orange upright vacuum cleaner from 1992. Well, everybody, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. Click down below what you like to see for a brand new video. I'll see you in the next video, you guys. Bye.